subscribe to our channel. Collect onion peels to make a great fertilizer. You can get onion peels for free from your local supermarket or vegetable shop. Put onion peels into the bottle. Pour warm water into the bottle. Rainwater is a better option. If possible, use rainwater. Seal the bottle. Give the onion fertilizer a good shake. Store the onion peel fertilizer in a warm place. Let's call this onion tea. Pour onion fertilizer around your plants. Onion fertilizer will make plants stronger, with bigger blooms.